There is a good news for all NECO candidates. If you wrote NECO, or you are about to write NECO, or your school wrote NECO, or your school has a NECO center they are going to write, you are already in SS3, or you are in SS2, or your child or your daughter, your ward wrote NECO or will write NECO in the nearest time, there is a good news that everybody needs to pay attention to. The news just broke a few days ago as NECO has already come out to give us this news, and that is what we're going to give you here in Noble Media. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click on subscribe right now. Let's now get into the meat of this news. NECO has come out. NECO to streamline English language exam slashes questions from 100 to 80. NECO has come out to say that their English exam, we know, which is normally 100 questions, right? But the English exam, we no longer the 100 questions, they're bringing it down to 80 questions. Let's look at it. The National Examination Council has announced a reduction in the number of objective OBJ questions for the English language paper 3. The OBJ questions for the English language paper 3 in the senior secondary certificate examination internal, that is the one that is written in schools, not GCE, not NECO GCE, the NECO exam that is normally written in secondary schools after your SS3. Effective from the 2026 SSCE internal exam, the total number of questions will be reduced from 80 to 100. From 80 to 100. I'm sure this is a good news. By the way, if you don't know how to check your NECO result, this year's NECO result, as you're watching this, let me know in the comment section. If you have not seen your own, if you are wondering the date that the result will be released, let me know. If you want to register for NECO, if you have any issue around NECO, let me know. Just click on subscribe, click on join to be a full member of this channel, then come under the comment and ask us your questions. In an official notification made available to Punch, we are reading this from Punch. If you are in Nigeria or close to Nigeria, you will know Punch newspaper. On Wednesday, signed by the state coordinator of Osun State, Sunday K. Bolaji, dated September 1st, 2025, stated that the new paper structure includes 6 sections. Number 1, antonyms. Antonyms will carry 10 questions only. Number 2, appropriateness of registers. This one will also carry 10 questions only. Number 3, appropriate interpretation of idioms, phrasal verbs, and foreign words. This one will carry 10 questions only. Synonyms. Tell me in the comment section what synonyms means. Synonyms, does it mean opposite in meaning or similar in meaning? Tell us in the comment section. Synonyms, 10 questions only. Grammatical structures, 30 questions only. And closed text, 10 questions only. The time allocation for paper 3 will also be adjusted to 50 minutes. This change aims to streamline the examination process and enhance the testing experience for students. Let's go back again. Antonyms, how many questions? Antonyms, how many questions? 10 questions. Appropriateness of registers, how many? 10 questions. Appropriateness interpretation of idioms, phrasal verbs, and foreign words, how many? 10 questions. Synonyms, which I give you assignment to tell me the meaning of synonyms in the comment section, 10 questions. Grammatical structures, 30 questions. And closed text, 10 questions. That is 10 plus 10 plus another 10, 30 plus another 10, 40 plus 30, 70 plus another 10, 80 questions. The time allocation for paper 3 will also be adjusted to 50 minutes. This change aims to streamline the examination process and enhance the testing experience for students. Let us now move on because there is another major development. Okay? Previously, this is very, very important as you prepare or await your NECO result. Every school should pay attention to this. Previously reported by Punch Online on August 29, NECO confirmed it will fully transition from the traditional paper and pencil examination method to a computer-based testing system starting with the November-December 2025 SSCE external. NECO is changing everything. There is this overhaul both in WAEC, NECO, JAM. They are overhauling the examination way. They are overhauling the method through which students write exam in an attempt to, maybe to curtail costs and to curtail and checkmate examination malpractice. If you are going to write NECO right now, you need to read harder because it's no longer business as usual. Previously reported by Punch Online and on August 29, NECO confirmed it will fully transition from the traditional paper and pencil exam. This is very, very, very important. To a computer-based testing system starting with the November-December. So in the GCE they will write in 2025, GCE, that is November-December GCE NECO GCE. It will be computer-based. This shift aligns with the federal government July 25 directive to deploy private and public computer-based test centers nationwide for school-based SSCE by 2026. The federal government of Nigeria had already come out some years back to declare that they want all WAEC exams, all NECO exams, all GCE exams, both NECO GCE, WAEC GCE, internal GCE, internal WAEC, external WAEC, internal NECO, external NECO, to be computer-based. The same way it is JAM, UTME is computer-based. Let's SSC exam to also be computer-based. NECO has invited interested CBT centers operators across Nigeria, if you're a CBT center, to apply for accreditation. Subject to strict technical, infrastructural, and security requirements to ensure examination integrity and smooth implementation. So they are asking those that have a lot of computers, schools that have a lot of computers, to apply and start working on it so that NECO can partner with them and the exam will now be written in their school. This move aims to modernize Nigeria's examination system, reduce malpractice, remember I said it, and improve operational efficiency while expanding digital education across the nation. That is why you might, if you are not computer literate, you need to go over, learn how to use computer. If you have any issues in this area, I am here for you. Here in Noble Media, we are here to guide you. If your son, your daughter, your ward is stay an SS1, SS2, or SS3, and you're having these issues, let me know. If you have an issue with your NECO exam, let me know. Any issue, just subscribe, like this video, share this video, then join. When you do these things, come under the comment and tell me you have joined or you have subscribed. Then you can now go ahead and ask your question. But most importantly, there is an important video on the screen. There's an important video on the screen now. Click on it and watch.